Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I did these Coraline nails. I'll be using Mia's Secret and Saviland acrylics today, as well as my Model 1's number 8 Kolinsky brush. I'm starting with this glittery blue Saviland acrylic and I'm laying that on my thumbnail. Next I'm taking this light purple acrylic and I'm putting that on my pointer. I'll be using this grayish purple for the middle and ring. And for the pinky, I'll be using Mia's Secret's Cover Blush Nude. Now I'm going to clear cap all the nails. This will help to add strength as well as prevent me from accidentally filing into our color. Now I'm going to file and shape. Okay, so here they are all filed and shaped, and I'm going to be applying a base coat just to help smooth the surface for our nail art. I'm starting on the thumbnail and I'm going to be painting the Coraline title. I like to cure as I go just so I don't have to worry about messing up. Especially when trying to paint a word, doing letters can be a bit tricky and easy to mess up. I'm taking a brown and adding some dimension and shadow to the O. Then with some yellow, I'm going over all the letters and doing a yellow to white ombre on some of the larger letters. And I'm going to add a slight outline in black just to help define them a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and top coat it now. And onto our pinky nail, I'll be doing a French design. I'm mixing my own sheer black color by taking some base coat and just a little bit of black gel. And I'm going to start painting our spiderweb design. And we'll be coming back to that one later. Onto our first character painting, I'm starting with Coraline and I'm just getting down a really rough base, not being too particular. I'm taking some white and throwing on some general proportions of where I might want things to go. And I slowly start to add more detail. I like to cure as I go, and by doing this, I'm able to go back and forth, continually tweaking and adjusting things. Sometimes it can be hard to get a really fine line, so it's almost easier for me to do a thicker line and then just thin it down by covering it up with a background color. This character painting definitely went smoother than some of my other ones. I feel like this one didn't take too much trial and error. Coraline was truly one of the most creepy kid movies. I've known so many people that were absolutely terrified of this movie when they were younger, but it's one of those movies you can continue to revisit even as you get older, and it sort of transitions with you. You start to notice all the intricate details and intentional clues, and I just find it really fascinating. Also, adding a base coat between finished layers can help smooth things out just so you can add smaller details more easily. I wouldn't recommend it unless your layer is mostly finished, just because if it's not, any colors you lay on top will be distinctly noticeable and there won't be much of a blend. And I like how she came out, so I'm going to top coat her now, and onto our second character, the other mother. I really wanted to do her spider form. I thought it would look so cool, but I might revisit the set in the future and do her normal version. But as you can see, this one did not go as smoothly. I struggled a little bit with the proportions in the beginning, and I think the angle of the reference photo I was using threw me off just a little bit. But that's what I like so much about my method, is even if it looks pretty horrible and not promising in the beginning, as you slowly adjust and work out the details, it really does start to come together. And I did make a TikTok on this set, here it is. If you'd like, you can check me out on Instagram and TikTok at kaylas.nailartistry. I'll link those down below if you're interested. Also, I'm mixing some of the color with a base to make it slightly transparent. This will help to add some dimension to the details without completely covering it up or having to be super meticulous. I like to go over some of the detailing this way just to tone them down a little bit and add some dimension. I really love doing these character sets. I think the outcome is always worth the hours of work, and when your work is recognizable, that's always like the best feeling. I've done a few other videos on character sets, here they are. I've done Pennywise, Corpse Bride, and Nightmare Before Christmas. I'll be linking those videos down below as well if you want to check those out. And I really like how she came out, not gonna lie, I was a bit worried in the beginning. I'm gonna top coat her now. And lastly, for our pointer nail, I'm starting with some glittery purple and putting it on the outsides. And I'm taking some blue and I'm just going to help deepen that a little bit. I decided to take some silver magnetic cat's eye polish and using the magnets sort of do the same thing in that circular shape. And I start painting our button key. And the black on its own was a bit too dark to see, so I did the detailing and outlining in white just to help make it pop. And then I felt the set was a bit too purple and it didn't really go with our blue thumbnail too much. So I took a blue jelly color and went over the pointer. And I took that same jelly blue and went over our transparent spiderweb design as well. I felt like doing this just helped the set become more cohesive. And now I'm just going to go ahead and top coat the rest. One final cure, and here's the final result. I absolutely love how they came out. It came out so much better than I was expecting. Let me know what you think and what other character sets I should do. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!